This is an A.J. Reeves Vulcan beam steam engine that I picked up at the Canandaigua engine show this past weekend. It was rather seized up when I got it. I think probably sat quite a while without being run. It was built in 1987 and most likely sat on a shelf for 30 years or better. And after a lot of lubrication, a little bit of running, I now have it running quite smoothly on 9 pounds of pressure. Quite a lot of work went into the building of this engine, as any of you who make engines or do machine work would know. This one will probably be for sale at the next engine show because I already have another one, but just couldn't pass this up and a chance to get it running and back out in someone's collection. Thanks for watching.